So this is the 2008 AP Computer Science question number 4. It's a checker is an object that examines strings and accepts those strings that meet a particular criterion. The checker interface is defined below, and we can see that the interface has one method here. The parameter is text, a string to consider for acceptance, and it returns true if this checker accepts the text and false otherwise. Okay, so let's move into part A. A substring checker accepts any string that contains a particular substring. For example, the following substring checker object, broccoli checker, accepts all strings that contain the substring broccoli. Okay. So here we're setting up a new broccoli checker object, and here we are calling the accept method of the broccoli checker object, and these are the results. So this will be true, this will be true, this will be false, and this will be false. So write the substring checker class that implements the checker interface. The constructor, okay, so we are going to be writing a constructor, should take a single string parameter that represents the particular substring to be matched. So in this example, the substring to be matched is broccoli. Okay, this is just an example. So let's go to Notepad. So this is the substring checker class that implements the checker. Public class substring checker, which implements checker. And we know that public substring checker takes a string as a parameter. And what I'm going to do is create a class variable to store that data when we construct any substring checker object, and I'm just going to assign the text parameter to the class variable. Now, according to the problem, I need to, because the substring checker class implements the checker class, I need to define or implement the accept method, which returns a boolean and has a string as public boolean accept string whatever word. We're just trying to see if it. So we're comparing this word and see if we're this isn't a word, is it? Is this a sentence? No, this is a word. Is it a word? Yep. Oh no, it could be a sentence. Here it's a sentence. So let's change that. Let's say this is a sentence. So the accept method takes a sentence and we try to see if this word is in this sentence. Oh, okay. So I'm going to do int result equals sentence dot index of text. Right? Is that right? I'm looking in this sentence and I'm trying to see if this text is inside the sentence. Yeah, that's right, isn't it? And then if result is the same as -1, do you remember how the index of method works of the string class? If this returns -1, it means we couldn't find the text in the sentence, so we're going to return false. Else return true. So that's my solution to part A of the 2008 question number 4.